we're going to discuss another request from a viewer, and this guy would like to know about Naspers. And remember, just send your request through to admin@France de Klerk, and we will see if we can sort it out for you. Well, if we look at Naspers here, remember we had this beautiful sell-off all the way from 360 to around 2,400 Rand. But what I do pick up here is I see a tiny inverse head and shoulder. And this can maybe trigger us the Christmas relief rally that everybody is looking for. And look what we see here. There's the left shoulder. You can see the left shoulder clearly. There's the right of the head, the beautiful head. And we're working on the right shoulder now. And the big thing here is this neckline. If the share can break above 2,937 Rand and 82 cents, we can easily see that Naspers can go a little bit higher. And I want to show you the conservative target, and I'm also going to show you the target if it play out in full. And there you are. If the conservative target gets reached, and remember the big thing here, the share must remain above the neckline. Below the neckline, the inverse head and shoulder is not on. But the conservative target is 3,099 Rand and 3 cents. And guess what? What do we see? If we reach the full target, and I know everybody will say, can you believe that? I think we can maybe close this gap. Look at that gap. That gap opens up at about 3,333 and it closes at 3,347 Rand. So guys, let's hope that Naspers can give us the, let's call it, Christmas relief rally that everybody's hoping on. Well, let's just give a stop loss. If you do trade above the neckline, I'm going to give a few stop losses because Naspers got such wild swings that you need to protect yourself. The first stop loss will be 2,720 Rand and the other one will be 2,642, and the major one is only when this right shoulder will be wiped off the table, and that will be below 2,514 Rand and 6 cents. Well, and let's have a look at Merafe. There was also a request of, can we maybe just have a look at Merafe? This viewer is keen on buying Merafe, but what I do not like about it, can you just see what we see here? We see that this stock is almost, you can almost say, consolidating in a massive band. But what I don't like about it is, look at these massive candles. I mean, yesterday it went from 1.60 to 1.46 in one go. So my advice to the viewer will be, listen, the best is, if you see a share doing things like that, rather sit on your hands and be a little bit patient, because what we all see is, yes, we see this beautiful descending channel and we say, yes, it can break to the upside. But when I see these ugly candles, that tells me just sit on your hands. Let's find some tinier candles. But eventually, when it breaks above 159, this channel can take it all the way up to 174. And if you buy above that line, let's maybe make use of a stop loss. Again, I don't like it. Big stop loss, 1.44. Maybe there's some other opportunities, but there's the view on Merafe. Thank you so much. We'll talk again.